guys, welcome back. Today I'm super excited because I'm trying something new and has become one of my favorite: brown stewed chicken. Okay, this recipe was inspired by Racheal's Caribbean cuisine. If you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you do. Racheal has some amazing Caribbean dishes that you will love. So let's dive right in. Alright, first is to season our chicken. Okay, so in the bowl I have my nicely cleaned chicken. I'm using chicken thigh, but you can use any part of the chicken. Okay, so that is some jerk seasoning. Also, we'll go in with all-purpose seasoning, salt to taste, paprika, and 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, which is blended with parsley, bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet. I have the video on my channel, so please do check it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to mix everything together, making sure our chicken is well coated. Okay, you want every bite to be packed with that Caribbean goodness. Okay, once it is well seasoned, I'm going to set it aside and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you can. Okay, so 30 minutes later, we'll heat up some oil in a large pot on a medium heat. Okay, once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to caramelize some brown sugar, then add in the chicken. This is what gives the chicken that deep, rich color and flavor. Okay? So once the chicken pieces goes in, I'm going to give it a good mix so that the chicken will soak up the caramelized sugar and bring out that rich flavor. Okay, we'll cover it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. You notice I didn't add any water to it because I want the chicken to bring out its own juices. Okay, so 5 minutes later, you can see the chicken has come out with its own juices. We'll go ahead to give it a quick stir, then cover it to cook for additional 5 minutes. Okay, so to make the gravy, she added some ketchup and tomato sauce, but I don't have ketchup, so I added tomato sauce and just a bit of sweet chili sauce. Okay, then goes in some water. Okay, I'm going to add in some fresh thyme and hot pepper. Okay, we'll give it a quick stir and cover it on the lowest heat and allow it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes later, our stew is ready. It smells so good and flavorful. Next, she went ahead to add in bell peppers and cook it for a minute for that nice extra flavor. Okay, so I'm going to mix all together and cook it for a minute. Okay, and guys, you know, I went all out to make the Jamaican rice and beans as well, and it was the perfect comfort food. Okay, a big thanks to Racquel Caribbean Cuisine, okay, for inspiring this dish. I hope you guys try this out at home. It's so simple and delicious. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And don't forget to check out Racheal's channel for more Caribbean recipes. Okay, she got some delicious recipes over there that you will love. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye guys.